Let's be honest, you spent the last 2 years looking through Instagram searching for inspiration for your home. And let me guess, you think you need to do a reno in order to achieve that look and feel. Well, I'm going to show you a few simple hacks which will transform your spaces without the cost of a reno. I love this hack, readily available from your local hardware store. It's wall paneling. Supplied as large sheets, it can be applied over your existing walls. It's cost effective, super easy to install, and it completely transforms your space. The great thing about wall paneling is that you don't have to go bright and bold. You can stick with your whites and neutrals because the texture is enough. Clients are often at a loss as to how to fill an oversized main bedroom to make them feel complete. Occasional chairs are the designer's secret weapon. Instead of just having a chair on its own, you can group it with other items to have more of an impact, like a mirror or artwork. Add a side table and cushions to make a practical and functional space that looks beautiful too. I can see now. Now, the ultimate room transformer is window treatments, which shouldn't be underestimated or forgotten. They are honestly one of the most important items in a room because they control how much natural light enters a space, which has a huge impact on mood. My tip, it's about style, but also about functionality. For example, your bedroom is the bookend for each day. It's your hello in the morning and your recharge at night. These modern Luxaflex duet shades add a touch of magic to your room. The practicality of the honeycomb cells are a game changer. They trap air in the pockets, keeping you cool in summer and warmer in winter. Adding sheer curtains to your room gives you that daytime privacy, but also gives you that lovely soft and diffused light. Want a house that feels bigger? That's easy. Add lamps to your spaces so they feel bright and gives a sense of openness. Adding light pendants helps accentuate a space because it draws your eye upwards. Want a quick update to your home? Replace your tired and worn carpet. Go for 100% wool carpets for the added texture. They make your bedrooms and less used living spaces feel so warm and inviting. The key is choosing the right colour that transitions nicely from your carpet into your tiles. It's all about style and practicality. Not only do you need to consider aesthetics, but also how you plan on using the space.